geography, globe and latitude. So, I said that we recognize or find out the exact timing and places to take the help of latitude lines on the earth in any place, in any time. We find out the exact time on the earth from the latitude lines. So let's discuss about the latitude and time today's class. So see here children, this is the diagram of grid. Grid, it has both lines, horizontal and vertical lines. So horizontal lines, we call those are latitude lines, and vertical lines in like this. These lines we call those are longitude of the globe. So in east of the part say degrees. In eastern part we find out the from the equator, and here in northern hemisphere and southern hemisphere total 360 degrees. So like that and find out the exact time where we middle meridian. This line we call a prime meridian line. Here Greenwich point, this one, from we count the time on the earth, this line in the even northern pole or in southern pole. So they measuring the time by movement. How it is identified the timing in this earth. So moon and planets and sun also most useful when we find out the time. Sun rises and set every day. You can see in the sky. The sun rises in the same position. We can feel that in the east part sun rises in the morning timing, and the sunset in the west part. We feel that because earth rotates in every moment. So best timekeeper of the world, sun is the best timekeeper of the world, because they cannot late or they cannot came early. So that like no day. We call them best timekeeper of the world, sun. And find out from the shadow of the sun. And how we can find out the timing on the globe. The sun shadows, in earlier people also used this type of from the one bottle take that in sand. You can see that, you can remember those type of sand clouds there. So and that time the sun shadows help to them and they identify the timings. And now we have more than clouds, big and small, like that. Shortest at the noon and longest sunrise in the sunset and the sunrise. It is very exact time that naturally process goes on every day. In prime meridian of Greenwich, highest point in the sky. It is the Greenwich point line. The highest point will have midday or noon on the world. Every moment when the sun came there, we identify that timing is midday or noon timing. So the earth rotates 316 about 24 hours, 50 degrees an hour. The earth position, how it is in one place, it is rotate to 15 degree, even in that is in eastern part of in southern, near the southern pole on the northern pole. 15 degrees an hour, it means 1 degree, it is equal to 4 minutes. When we divide into multiple 15 into 1, here 4 minutes, 1 minute, 1 degree equal equal to 4 minutes. So when we multiply the 50 degrees to 4 minutes, we get the answer 16 minutes. 16 minutes means it is equal to 1 hour. So ahead of the Greenwich, that is 1 p.m. We find out the Greenwich 1 degrees line. There is 1 p.m. And behind the Greenwich time, 1 hour, that is 11 a.m. Here, this is the example of clock. 12 o'clock here, midpoint 3, 6, 9, like this. Green, you imagine this is the green line, Greenwich line. When the came here, we identify the timing. Ahead the here 1 o'clock. This one 1 p.m. We got this. Ahead the Greenwich line in a eastern part, and that is, and its western part behind the Greenwich 11 a.m. behind the, because Earth rotates always in every time, so we cannot see in that half part. So behind, we imagine behind the places that time get will be 11 a.m. in the same opposition places. Ahead the Greenwich 1 p.m. that the same timing is behind the Greenwich time is 11 a.m. There is, we can remember this one, and we can identify the timing of different behind and in front of the Greenwich. So at 180 degree 12 noons there is, and 12 midnights. Noons and nights are equal, because in a day we call that one day 24 hours equal. So there is 12 noons and 12 nights equal there. And then why do we have standard time? In more than reference, you take the help of textbook. Here there is the picture of a green line, meridian, prime meridian, where it is ahead and before or behind the timing map is there, and timing ahead the Greenwich timing is, we call that plus. There is plus this one, this side minus. We identify that symbol of the minus, this one part. So like that, and here also there is grid of the picture, and also here we now find the timing, exact timing, identify the in vertical and the horizontal numbers there are, and alphabet numbers, we can circle here exact degrees where it is, and letters there are horizontal, and numbers vertical lines with their numbers. It is the graph help to we identify the exact time on the globe. So next point, why do we have standard time in this earth and in our country? Why do we need any country? Why do we need the standard timing on the earth? It is different meridians or want to differ time in local 7:30 or whatever it is changed in other countries. So like that, suppose for example, in the a day and night cricket match between the India and England. For example, India and England, the time is different. There is because when the England there is time 2 p.m. in London. In India, at the same timing, that is time is 7:30 p.m. This one evening time, there is in a noon time. In London, there is noon time. That the same time in India, at the evening time, there is in India. So this is the difference between the country to country. The timing is they change from the lines of longitude on the earth. In Russia, there are 11 standard times. In Russia, how many times there are? 11 standard time there are. And the earth has been divided into 24 time zones. So we know the 24 type of time zones. We can find these type of times on the earth because in every zone has a different time from the other zone. In 1 hour to another hour in every zone, in that same time, that take the different timing there. And each zone have 50 degree of the longitude. In 1 hour, it take the 50 degree in any longitude. In the behind of the Greenwich, in front or ahead of the Greenwich, there is make a 1 hour, take that 15 degree timing. We identify after 15 degree 1 hour, and then 15 degree and 2 hours like this, and then 15 degree 3 hours. It take like this. In the type of latitude lines in each zone have 15 degree. So this is the how we identify the timing. In standard time and local time is different from the place to place and country to country. Local time there is little bit variation, and standard time is in India, and also the country matter there is very different from into like this 4 or 6 hours in country to country. So this is the end of the